So this is what I wanted to see. So it is the back of the church. Oh, it's a vestry. Yeah, so you can see that the church was huge, you know. Huge, and you can see that activities used to be taking place here and everything. Right? This is history. History. Oh, it looks like they used to baptize people here. They see probably the pool. They used to do the baptism. So this is the outside. Oh, I can't come up to the vestry. Oh Lord. I'm gonna step up. Oh, thanks. Oh, goats coming here. So these are some recent ones. Wow, look at those two over there. Yes, I look like the commando reaping. Look at this cross. 1932. Oh, so in those days, what they probably used to have is the stones as the headstones. Let me record about that. That grave right there, it was scaring me a little bit. With the pointed thing standing up. When I look around, I thought it was somebody behind me, but it was just the grave. All right. But I don't understand how I'm shaking. No. I'm gonna share it, but. Alright guys, I don't know what is happening to my hands. Maybe it's nerves or what, but my hands keep shaking. So
the girl have fright.
Inside I have fright, but I don't know. Each time I hold the camera, my hands start to shake. It's just, I don't know what is causing the shaking, but each time.
She has this
Tell why my hand is shaking.
I don't say I was afraid. She afraid.
Ain't say me afraid. Ain't say me afraid, but you miss it when me gone is. Come now, how we get out of this? You leave.